I'm working with a local organization called HEDEX, Health Development Consultancy Services, and we targeted this community because it's a marginalized group of people here called Mbororos, and normally they're supposed to follow this code of silence. So we wanted to address this group because we wanted to give them knowledge and we wanted to empower them to make their own decisions and to know more about health. We first came here to spread awareness about HIV. So we came here on World AIDS Day and handed out ribbons and told them about HIV and just the community, and told them where they can access the free testing. Then we held workshops here, 4-day workshops each for the girls and for the women.
What did you learn?
What have you learned?
I've learned that HIV is not the same with AIDS.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I've learned that kissing you cannot have.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. What else? You are saved.
I've learned that females are more vulnerable to AIDS than males.
Females are more vulnerable to HIV
Than males.
Yes.
Okay.
My role was just to help with the curriculum. I was supporting my partner organization, HEDEX, with the material that they were going to deliver and also with how they were going to deliver that material. So I suggested activities and games and things so that it was more of a fun event than just boring and in school learning. Now your group will have, let's say, 15 minutes to prepare a drama presentation.
On what we have done.
Don't cry. Don't worry, you know the kill. You know. As you do so plenty pin the soul they get them. Plenty boy then so they get them. Plenty mommy and papa then so they get them. You get for take your medicine morning, afternoon and evening. Then you get for go back. They say your rendezvous now on the 18th now. Get for go back.
It was quite successful, the workshops. The girls and women, not only did they learn so much about HIV and family planning was another subject we covered, and STIs, but they also, you could see their confidence grow. So there was a separate program that we developed so that they would become peer educators and peer leaders. So we trained them leadership as well, so that they too could take this information that they learned and spread it to their community. They're just continuing to talk to their community and talk to their friends, and they're feeling really empowered, and it's really lovely to see that. The experience has been fantastic and such a journey. I felt such a bond with this community that I've worked in, and every time I come it feels a little bit like home. And just seeing that, because it's been a fairly long-term project, it's nice to see the progression of, you know, when we first came in, nobody would want to talk, and then now they're dancing and they're talking and they're telling their friends, and it's nice to see, even in some of the girls that we have today, I can see future leaders of Cameroon and future council members and health workers, and it's nice to see that there's impact created.
Having Carley working with us, it has been an exciting moment. She's somebody that she's always ready to learn, and she's always ready to give out. She has taught us a lot. We'll so miss her, so miss her. She has become a very good friend, and she has so much learned our culture in such a way that we feel like relating with her is so much easy, because she understands the pidgin, which is the common language that is spoken. So we make it fun, and we have had a lot of fun, so we'll miss her.
My job is an advisory role, so I don't want to just come into this country that I don't know and say, this is what you're doing wrong, this is what you need to do. It doesn't really work like that in Cameroon or in any country for that matter. So what I do is I work with local organizations that work well in the community and have a previous knowledge of the community and know what they need, and we talk to the beneficiary groups and decide what they need and what would work in their community. And my role is just to support my partner organization to make sure that the material is accurate, to make sure that the information is being presented in the most effective way possible. And I'm just there to be an advisory role. So we're working together, and I think that the collaborative support has made the project what it is today. Everyone here today is a peer educator, and I'm very proud of them all. They're just doing it to better their community and better their country, just on their own free will.
Are you going to miss them?
Yes, I'm going to miss them. They already know that I'm traveling soon, and I'm really going to miss working here. Like I said, every time I come here, I feel like I'm coming to a home. So they're just always welcoming, and it's just such warm, happy faces. And I'm so happy to have worked with them, and I wish I could follow them forever.